Hello and welcome guys and girls. Today we're going to install this beautiful screen on the Aprilia RSV4, and it is a bubble screen, which is obviously better angle, protects you from air, from wind, and you don't have to duck under the screen because it has this sort of notch here, which is the curvature is a bit better than the standard OEM one. Of course, it's PUIG, it's from Spain, it's a Spanish manufacturer that's very well known, and there's a WRS, which is an Italian competitor of this Spanish manufacturer. However, I chose this one because I had it on my Super Duke GT and it was working far better. So it's made in Spain, as you can see, and I chose the smoke screen, which is a bit better because sometimes you have to go underneath. You don't have to have either transparent one or a fully white one. Fully dark, sometimes you have to look through the screen. Of course, it says you have to be careful about the magnifying glass possibility that it might cause some burns to your odometer. It might cause problems to your fuel tank in case you park it in somewhere very sunny and what have you. We're going to install it on the bike and see how this really goes. So bear with me. Hello and welcome guys and girls, and today we are changing the screen on this beautiful RSV4. So this is the old screen where you sit here. Look how it looks like. It's not really covering anything much, it's just quite short. You have to duck under it, and no matter how you duck, it still doesn't help much. Now this is the new PUIG screen. Look, when we take it out of the thing, of course it's expensive and really cool. So it sits like that, so it's a bit higher, about maybe 5.5 inches bigger than the old one. So I think it will offer better coverage. Thing to note though, when I ordered this, it said it's only until 2021 models. However, I noticed that 21 and 24 is the same exact thing. So it fits the same exact screws. Let's just remove the screen and put the new one. Yeah. Time to get the tools. Yeah. That's the problem here when you're working on your motorcycle. Lots of very nosy people keep looking at you as if you are sort of weird. Oh shit, it's really small. Also another toolbox. Probably this toolbox. With a very small, or the smaller sort of, yeah, good. Got the right one on the first go. So here it is. Chose so many ones and it's lucky. Chose the right one straight away. Goes the screws fiddly. And you're worried that you drop any of them or any of the washers. They're really small. Strange that the PUIG though came without any screws. Very strange. The PUIG for the KTM came with lots of screws and spacers because the size was a bit different. So they give you all the other options, but this one, it's a bit bizarre. Like, I have 4 screws only, so it's not that of a big deal. However, I have to remove them from the other side, from the back. just put it on the, yeah, here it came off in one piece. Look, so that's how it looks like. And this is, I have to put the screws in my pocket, otherwise it's going to be a big problem. I lose it. So this is the normal one, and this is the normal one, and this is the PUIG. Look at the difference in size. Let's see if it fits. Look, it's the angle more than the length. It's just the angle. Let's see how this fits. Yeah, it fits. Yeah, just have to remove this rubbery bits. Have to remove the rubbery bits on the screen and put them like these ones, and put them in the PUIG. That's strange. It feels a bit hard. Yeah. Yeah. Jesus, it's really hard. Wow. Like, this is a brand new motorcycle. Removed. See? Now I gotta put the old one, the OEM one, because you might need it or not, in the bag. Here you go. And now we've got to stick these ones here. Yeah, it's quite hard to sort of put them here. You have to remove it easier. Yeah. Well, you don't want to force it too much, right? But the angle is much better. So the angle is much better. It has the washer underneath. And here, so all of them are in. Now it's just time to mount the screws. This is one notch here. I have to align this here. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, I don't want to break anything because it's all plastic and super sensitive. And lots of small washers and small things. And I have humongous hands. So you really don't want to cause yourself a drama on the beautiful motorcycle. Otherwise you'd be crying like a baby. It's actually hard to mount. With the screws inside the rubbery bit. Yeah, actually not very intuitive. Put all the screws in, put the first ones that hold it in place. Like, Jesus, we almost lost one and the washer. Hey, this was what I was afraid of. So we put it here. Well, right, so this is what it looks like now, and I think the angle is far better than the previous one. At least you can duck under it, you can do lots of things, unlike the other one was really short, so this is much better. This is a warning saying that it could be magnifying glass, whatever. And this is